Yeah, welcome to my channel today at Lukebreezy NFT. So today I'll be taking you on the ride and on a guide on the Zkysync airdrop. So this is a potential and a confirmed airdrop. They'll be dropping people who enable them run the tax on the DEX and also to help them confirm if the platform is on a good function. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and tap on notification bell so you can be able to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate you all. With that being said, let's hop into the real deal. So here we are on the Pinata platform. First thing you are going to do is to register. Once you register, I'll make things easier for you by dropping every necessary link you need in the description below. So feel free to check on the description and get every link you need. So after your registration and verification via your mail, so your platform will then look like this. Next thing you're going to do is to come here and upload. Tap on upload. You click either a file or folder, whichever place you have a good picture or a good photograph you want to upload or use. So I'll click on file. So it tells me select a file to upload. I select a file. So they tell me to choose one from the above. So but I've already done that, so there's no need of me doing it again. So I'll just cancel up. So after that has been done, then they will display your CID for you. But if you haven't uploaded any photo or any file there, you won't be able to see your CID. And once that has been done, congratulations on completing the first task. Now, next thing you're going to do is to come to the zkSync wallet. Now, this is the zkSync platform. First thing you're going to do, if you have sufficient Ethereum in your wallet, the layer 2, congratulations. But if you don't have and you want to top up, come here and click on the top up key. Then if you want to top up want to buy some crypto using your credit card, here are options for you. If you want to do that via an exchange, you have the Bybit, and if you want to use that using a bridge, yeah, all know what is a bridge, right? I believe that. So you can use the layer swap, the orbital, the zkSync, or the zigzag. So but our advice here all to use the zkSync and click on the zkSync, and you can able to top up your wallet. Click on the particular amount you want to top up with, and that is being done. As you can see, the gas fee is $5.03. So that is a beautiful one. It's quite low because we're in the downtrend in the market currently, the bearish market. So with that being explained to you, and you have successfully topped up your wallet, now next thing is to come to NFT. You tap on the NFT, but I have already minted mine, so that's why you see I have NFT 412978 here. So next, what you're going to do is to tap on mint NFT. Tap on mint NFT, and here it will look like this. Now, if you remember earlier, I showed you our CID. So what you do is to go back and then copy your CID. Then you go back to the platform again and then come and paste it here. You paste your CID there. Once that has been pasted, what you do is to authorize to mint. Once you click on authorize to mint, then you will successfully mint your NFT. But I've already done that, so there's no need of me doing that again. Just for the purpose of this video, I just want to give you a clue, a guide, and a direction on how that is being done. Now, once you have done that, it will tell you have successfully minted your NFT. And congratulations on completing the second task. Now, the next thing you're going to do here is to use the ZigZag Dex. Now, on this ZigZag Dex, you all will see these charts, the trading pairs, and you can see on the top left here, you can see trade, bridge, list of pairs, and dock. So what I want you to do is first we go to trade. We'll go to trade. So what you're going to do here is to buy and sell. You can do it twice or 3 times, just throw and flow, ensure you use the DEX properly. So in order to qualify for a potential drop. So that has been done. You can go to the bridge. If you want to test to swap your Zkysync to either their Polygon chain, that can be done. The Polygon chain, it's going to have already done that. I've used the Polygon chain also. I've tried using the Polygon chain to swap some amount of ETH to the Polygon here. So I've done that. So once you have done that, that's beautiful. So with these main things being done, I believe that you will qualify for a potential airdrop once it is time. So you know the Zkysync ain't a small platform. I believe you can attest to that. So with that being done, I'll just give a quick review once again. After registration and verification via your mail, you upload a file. After uploading a file, to be able to so that it can display your CID for you. When your CID has been displayed, you come here and click on the copy. You call back, then you go to the Zkysync. You go to home. If you haven't topped up, you top up here, and once that has been successfully done, you click on the NFT, and once you click on the NFT, you click on the mint to mint your NFT. After you have mint the NFT, congratulations on performing the second task. Then you go to the DEX. You use the DEX properly. You use the trade. You trade X5 3 times or 2 times depending on how you want it. Or you can use the bridge also to bridge ETH to Polygon. You can do that also. And what else has been done? Congratulations once again. So if value has been gotten from this video, I want you all to click on the like button. Drop your comments for appreciations below, or your questions, I will say. Don't forget to share this video to others. It may be of big help to someone out there who may know that nobody else. You can also subscribe if you haven't, and then tap on notification button so that you can able to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video to the very end, and I believe that content and great value has been gotten from this. See you in my next video. Thank you.